So now let's see how we can work around with Add Mesh Extra Objects plugin inside of Blender. So if you want more objects, then you go around into Edit, you go to Preferences, and in Add-ons, you can scroll down onto the Add Mesh section, and over here, you can see Extra Objects is an option. So once you enable this, what happens is that you get the option to bring in extra objects. So to do that, you can press Shift A on your keyboard, and over here in Mesh, now you can see that there's different things right here. So there are rock generators. So if you were to click on this, you can see that it has generated a rock. So on the Add Rock section right here, you can increase the number of rocks. You can go around, increase the scale of the rocks right here. You can go around with the skew and change around the properties right here according to how you like it to get the level of rock details like you want. So you can go around, change this out right here, as you can see right here, and that is how it actually works out. So you can go around, change the smoothness right here, and you can work around with the presets over here as well, as you can see. So you can go for river rock right here, you can go for asteroids right here, and such rocks will be generated out just like this over here. So besides that, there are many options right here. So all you need to do is explore. So press Shift A on your keyboard, and over here, you can see that under Mesh, there are different things like there's round cubes right here. So you can increase the level of detail right here. You can go around and then increase, change the location right here. You can change the y-axis, you can change the arc right here, as you can see, and you can also change out different things, like you can go for the edges and everything else right here and increase or decrease the level of detail right here according to how you like it. So similarly, you can go around right here, bring in other things like Twisted Torus right here, which is twisted around, as you can see right here. You can increase and decrease out the radius right here. You can go around with the the segments. You can increase out the twists right here and so forth, and then work around with everything, as you can see right here. You can increase and decrease the segment, and you can see that the selection right here is more twisted. So if I were to go around, press Shift A right here, there's gears as well, which you can bring in. So you can increase and decrease the number of gears, increase the radius, increase the width, increase the base right here, and so forth. And this is how it looks. You can press Shift A right here. You can go around into diamonds. You can bring in diamonds as well, and then work around with segments right here and so forth. So there are different objects that you can generate out, and then you can use the properties to get what you want. You even got math surfaces right here, as you can see. So over here, you can add in mathematical formulas. So let me just change it into Y3. And this is what you have, as you can see right here. Let me just go around into Y10 right here, just like this. And this is how it actually functions. You can go around with the subdivision to make it smoother right here. Increase this out, increase the subdivision, increase out the size as well, the Y size, and you can see that this is how it looks. So that is how you can work around with the extra objects under Add Mesh inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.